Hi friends, Simit here from informedtrades.com. Just wanted to share with you a couple charts that I'm looking at the moment. Right now on the screen you see a daily chart of silver. Silver has been something I've been following a bit over the past few videos here on Informed Trades. It looks like to me, let me just add a line there. Okay, so I think 33.36 maybe a support level to watch. Market, it has shown signs of being a previous level that the market has bounced off of back in mid-March, all the way up to the run up to 49. Then we had another bounce off of this in mid-May. So 2 months after the big bounce in March, had another bounce off of it. See some pin bars suggesting that the bulls are coming in to defend this area. So to me, it still looks like we're in a bit of a range bound period. We do have this downward. We do have this downward trend line forming. So that definitely is something to look out for to see if we can get above that. If the bulls can get above that. A close below this this level of 33.36 with some strength and with some bearish candlesticks and things like that could suggest the next leg down. At least that's sort of the way I'm seeing it. Since silver's been range bound, another instrument I've been looking at, another instrument that's been sort of getting a lot of attention lately, is dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss has recently made all-time lows, so you can sort of see that here's the daily chart. Pretty solid trend line, forming. You could probably even, pretty solid trend line on the daily chart. We just have formed new lows here. Something that I think this is important for is that even though metals have been range bound or showing a little weakness of late, the fact that the Swiss franc is rallying to all-time highs against the dollar, or dollars falling to all-time lows against the franc, I think that's still significant in terms of the overall condition of the dollar and whether or not we're going to have a real deflationary spiral in which prices continue to fall and the dollar strengthens across the board. So even though we have made a new all-time low in this pair, dollar Swiss, I do think we have this sort of long wick on the daily June 27th candle, which I think could lead to a short-term, near-term reversal. Ideally, I would like to see a pullback to some critical resistance level, possibly this one right here, 85.36, or this trend line that we see on the daily chart. I think a pullback to either of those points could be an interesting opportunity to enter a short position, or a low-risk opportunity to enter a short position. And I think that's about it. Of course, I'll also be looking at the Treasury bond market that's following, but those assets, Swiss francs, silver, Treasury bonds, are something I'll be watching to get an overall look of the dollar. That's my take. If you have any questions, want to share your thoughts, join us over at informedtrades.com. Thanks and best of luck in your trading.